You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting names from music that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more about those. In French it is said as Henri, silent H, Henri Dutilleux, Dutilleux, Henri Dutilleux. It'd be fine in English to say it as Henri Dutilleux, Henri Dutilleux from French, Henri Dutilleux. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more names from music that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.